Let's read the story, The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who set out into the world to build their own homes. Each pig wanted to create a safe shelter but had different approaches to achieve this goal. The first little pig built a house made of straw. It was quick and easy to construct, allowing the pig more time to play and relax. However, the straw house was not very sturdy and could not withstand strong winds or threats. The second little pig chose to build a house of sticks. It was slightly stronger than the straw house but still lacked the resilience to withstand challenges. This pig also preferred to have more leisure time and thought that a house made of sticks was a good compromise between effort and safety. The third little pig, however, was more prudent and decided to build a solid house made of bricks. He worked hard and diligently, investing time and effort into constructing a sturdy home that could endure various adversities. One day, a cunning and hungry wolf roamed the area, looking for an easy meal. The wolf spotted the straw house and approached the first little pig, demanding entrance. Little pig, let me come in," the wolf called out. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," the frightened pig squealed. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in," the wolf threatened. With a mighty breath, the flimsy straw house collapsed, and the terrified pig fled to the house made of sticks. The wolf followed the first little pig to the house made of sticks and repeated his demand for entry. Little pig, let me come in," he growled. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," the second pig trembled. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." The wolf exhaled forcefully, and the house of sticks crumbled to the ground. The two pigs fled to the third pig's house, seeking refuge and safety. The wolf, determined to catch the pigs, reached the sturdy brick house of the third little pig. He demanded entrance, but the resilient brick walls stood firm against his threats. Little pig, let me come in," the wolf snarled. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," the third pig confidently replied. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in," the wolf roared, exerting all his might. But despite his efforts, the brick house remained unyielding, and the wolf couldn't break through. Frustrated and defeated, the wolf gave up and scurried away, realizing that the wise little pig had built a house too strong to be destroyed. The three little pigs learned the importance of hard work, diligence, and making wise choices. The first two pigs sought the easy way out, but their houses couldn't withstand adversity. The third pig's effort and dedication ensured safety and security in the face of danger. And so, the three little pigs lived happily in the sturdy brick house, understanding the value of perseverance and resilience in building a secure future. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.